My name's John Smalley. I'm the co-founder and managing partner of Pest Friends. Pest Friends is a pest control company really designed to create the greatest impact on your home, on your family, on your house, and the environment. Our pest control version is family safe, it's pet safe, it's employee friendly. We believe those are the things that will drive the industry going forward. Digital is everything. You can't claim to be eco-friendly and have paper, everywhere. And that's a big part of the pest control industry right now. And for being a new company, trying to compete with companies who have been in business for 20, 30, 40 years sometimes, that's a really tough thing to do. So to get your name out there and to expose yourself in the areas that you want to be seen, when you want to be seen, you really have to have a digital strategy. We were using somebody else that was a competitor of CS Design. We were struggling to gain recognition, to gain client acquisition. Before it was just basically, do you fit into their box? And a lot of times we did about 75% of the way, but the 25% that wasn't there really actually hurt us and cost us quite a bit of time and money. After meeting Wyatt and meeting the team over here, it just felt different. It felt like a local company that really had a family vibe to it. And the work ethic and the end product just seemed to outpace everybody else that we had come in contact with up to that point. CS Designs, the nicest thing about them is not only is the approach customized for you, but they're results driven. At the end of the day, they deliver. And they're pretty open about the fact that if they don't deliver, you can stop using them. So I like the fact that he's willing to put his money where his mouth is. Pest Friends is doing great. We're on the #1 page of Google, and we've been open for a little bit over a year. If you look at the pest control industry and how saturated it is, that's next to impossible. We get phone calls left and right from people who find us when they search us on Google, when they search us on other platforms, and just overall their strategy with getting us seen on Google, but also helping us drive the things that also helps getting us seen online in general, has really been great for the business. Without them, I'm not sure we'd be where we're at. Business is booming. For me, to be able to, pay back CS Design Studios for the amount of effort and time and outcomes they've produced for Pest Friends, I absolutely would recommend them to any company that needs help.